All right, everybody, this is the quick check for your Core Bites number 3. Make sure you go through and check all your answers and make your corrections on your paper because I forgot to tell you, but you actually get to use your paper on the quiz. So make sure you have all the right answers, okay? So 75 students are going on a field trip. Each van will hold 11 students. How many total vans will be needed for the trip? Okay? Sounds like a division problem to me. So if you have 75 total students and you're dividing them on 11 different vans, okay? So 11 times 4 would be 44. That's not big enough. So if we keep going, 11 times 5, okay, 55. 11 times 6 would be 66. 11 times 7 would be 77. That's too much. So let's do 11 times 6 would give us 66. And then we're going to have to subtract. So if you do regrouping, so 5 becomes 15, the 7 becomes a 6. So 15 minus 6 would give you 9. And then 6 minus 6 would give you 0. So you would have a remainder 9. Okay? So if you think about this, guys, you're not going to have the 9 remaining kids hanging out the windows, trailing behind the back of the van. Okay? So you can't just have 6. So you're going to have an extra one. So your total number of vans would be 7 vans total to make it have a little bit of extra room for your luggage, your lunch boxes, things you might like first aid kits and things like that. Okay? All right, the next one. What is 2,746 rounded to the nearest 1,000? Okay? So you've got to look at the thousands place. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So we've got the 2. Okay? So if we look at the 2, we look at the number behind the 2. We've got a 7. Anything 5 or up makes it go up, okay? So it's a number 7. So if it's a number 7, that means we're going to go up. So the next number up from 2 would be 3,000. So you're going to take it up to the whole 1,000, okay? The next one, you're adding fractions. They both have a like denominator. They both have 5 on the bottom. So because they are the same, you leave the 5 there because they are the same on the bottom. You just add the numbers on the top. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So your answer is 2/5. Okay? For the next one, it says to find the perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter is the outside. So all you're going to do is count around the outside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay? Actually, that is incorrect, guys. Ignore that. For perimeter, you've got to count each side. So, let me do a different color. I forgot that one was tricky. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, because it's on both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's actually, yeah, it is a rectangle. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we've got it. So if you've got 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 5, so this would give you 10. This would give you 12. So your answer would be 22. So your answer for your perimeter would be 22 units. Okay? The last one asks, does the dotted line represent a line of symmetry? They're looking at the dotted line right here. And you know it's symmetry if you can fold it over on itself and both sides would be equal. So, yes, if you fold it right there, it would be equal. Okay? So that is your number 3 Core Bites. Check your answers, guys. Make corrections.